Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a voiceover to your videos using DaVinci Resolve 21. So this is a great tool or feature to be familiar with. That way you don't have to rely on any external programs when adding a voiceover to your videos. You can keep everything localized within the DaVinci Resolve software. So to get started, I've loaded a clip into my timeline here, and I want to add some voices to it or a narration to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this button right here. This is right below the media pool and right to the left of the usual trim and timeline tools. So go ahead and click on this button. This should bring up this window. As you can see, it says record voiceover with a few options. So you can change the record track. I recommend to set this to audio 1 or audio 2, depending on what you have in your timeline at the moment. Since audio 1 is empty, I'm going to go ahead and set that to audio 1. Then I'm going to change the file name to something like voiceover sample, and I'm going to go ahead and click on record. My check. Hey there, friends. This is a sample voiceover recording for this one YouTube video. And give it a second or two to process that. And as you can see, after a little bit of loading, it has been added to our timeline. So it's really that simple. All you have to do is click on this button once or twice to get started and to end it. And you should have your voice over here in your media pool. And it should also be in your timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a listen. So right now it's a little bit soft, can't really hear much. The levels are a little bit too low. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click this, click on normalize audio level, and then normalize it for YouTube. There we go. Now we give it a listen now. Mic check. Hey there, friends. This is a sample voiceover recording. It's a lot more audible. So it's really that quick and that easy. Of course, you can also have some things open like a script if you need to, or you can also use the video as a reference while you're recording, and that just makes it a little bit easier. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.